Hello everyone, BentlyK here. Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today's video is a Hot Flash and Wrinkles Makeup Monday video. And today we are going to be testing out the new Milk Makeup, I think that's what they're called, Milk Makeup Hydro Gripping Primer. I've heard wonderful things about this. I can't wait to share with you guys. Okay, so if you want to know the details of what the claims are for this Hydro Gripping Primer, it says a hydrating makeup gripping primer formulated with hemp-derived cannabis seed extract and blue agave extract for all-day hydration and hold. Prickly pear, cactus, aloe water, hydrates skin, smooths. This primer is formulated with aloe water, cherry blossom, hyaluronic acid, and B vitamins to support skin for a healthier looking base and provide a glassy post-hot yoga class glow. Sounds good, huh? The silicone-free, oil-free, green-tinted formula blends in clear to work across all skin tones and types. Simply allow the formula to sit for 1 minute to fully absorb and activate grip for the best results. So it sounds good. So if you're interested in this kind of video and you want to know how good this is on mature skin, stay tuned. Okay guys, let's get started. So we have our primer, which is what we're testing today, and we're going to test it with my old favorite foundation because I already know how that foundation wears. So we'll be using the CATRICE HD Liquid Coverage Foundation, and we're testing out this Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer. So it's very sticky, which is probably good for a primer, right? Because you want it to make your foundation last. I've heard good things about this, so we shall see. Like I said, we're going to use our HD Liquid Coverage Foundation and see how it does. Look at me. Look at that. And then I've got these and this and this, and where's the other one? Oh, over there. Yzma. She's an attack cat, and she likes to attack me. She usually is really gentle though, like if she was playing with another kitten or something. She bites, but she barely bites. Well, when she was playing with my husband in our bed, and I was laying on one side, she was in the middle, of course, and he was playing with her, and I was just laying there, talking probably. She grabbed this arm, she grabbed it like this with these claws, and then she kicked her feet, and that's how she was vicious. I was an innocent bystander in that one too. So I told her to stop biting me and to bite him, but she doesn't listen very well. She's kind of a rebel. I haven't used this one in a while. I've had so many other ones to test out that I haven't used this one in a while. And I'm going to use my brush just to move this around a bit, and then I will go in with my sponge and get rid of all the brush marks. See if I still love this after not using it for a while and using other things. And there were several that I really liked, I think. I like that Smith & Colt one. All right, that's probably spread out enough. Now we'll go in with our sponge. Not too many brush marks, just around the edges mostly. Yep. It seems really good. It really is gripping. Let's see how well it makes it last. And if it sinks into lines. It seems like it's not going to. Seems really good. Like I didn't really even need this very much. The sponge. Well, I need it for other stuff though, right? Okay, moving on. We're doing the old style one, you know, not the Scott Barnes. Not because I don't like the Scott Barnes, just because I forgot. So, we're going to go in with our concealer. I'm going to use my Magic Star Concealer because I love it. Put a little on my lids. And then blend this in all the way up the side of my nose. I know you guys don't need me to tell you what I'm doing because you can see what I'm doing and I've told you a bazillion times. But you never know if this is somebody's first time watching my channel. So that's why I continue to say it, and like when I tell you how I push line, I always say it again because, or I try to always, because you never know if that video happens to be the first one they've watched. All the way up the side of my nose. I think it's pretty good. Definitely seems good. Nothing is sinking into lines. And I remember that this foundation, it did sink in a little bit, not much. I mean, it's a great foundation. But, I don't know, it seems like this primer is going to make it even greater, which is awesome. Okay, we're going to go in with powder. And we're going to use our Magic Star powder too, because it smells so good. I think it smells like cotton candy. I heard Tarte tell Scott Barnes that they smelled like waffle cones. I don't get waffle cones, so I don't really know. I don't get cotton candy either, though. But I think that's what Jeffree Star said. It smelled like cotton candy, and so I had that in my head when I smelled it, and I thought it did smell like cotton candy. I still think it smells like cotton candy. And I am just using this under my eyes and up the side of my nose. Basically all the places I would highlight, that's where I'm going to use this. And then I'm just going to take my powder brush and spread it over the rest of my face. I'm definitely going to put it in these folds. because that's where a lot of creasing happens. Because there's a lot of wrinkles there. And right here. And then I'm just going to put it on my chin to brighten it up. And right here to pull that wrinkle out as much as I can. Okay, now I'm going to take my powder brush. This is my Sigma powder brush that I love because it's so soft. F30, I think, yeah. And I'm just going to take that and spread that all around. So that it sets all of that foundation. And then I'm going to go in with contour. I probably should go off camera. I will go off camera and finish my makeup. Then I will come back and we will wear this all day and see how this Hydro Gripping Primer works. So far, it looks really, really nice. It doesn't have anything to conceal pores though. But it's not clinging into, it's not like settling into anything. It looks good so far. So I'll be back. Okay, so this is the look of the day. So far, I love it. I love it. Nothing is sinking into lines. Giving me a nice matte finish, not dewy, but I still have some glow from my highlighter and stuff. So I love it because it gives you the appearance of glow without any grease. So I am just going to add some Morphe setting spray. That'll give us our glow back. This one's almost empty, but I have another one. So there we go. Look at that glow. It just comes right through. Oh. One thing I should tell you guys to do that I always forget to do is take your powder brush before you spray the spray on and make sure there's no flakes, because that's what that was. I had a flake. And then spray it, but I always forget, always. And sometimes I have flakes and they are stuck once you spray them on there. Anyways, it looks great. So I'll be back at the end of the day to let you know if it stayed this good all day long. But it looks really good. It's not even getting in the cracks by my nose, and that's just amazing. And this one, there's none in it. The ones on my forehead, there's none in it. Nope. There is just none in the lines, so let's see if it lasts till the end of the day. I'll be back at the end of the day to let you know how it did. Okay guys, I am back. It is the end of the day. And I have to tell you, this primer, I don't know where I put it, it's over there. This Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer is the bomb. I am truly, truly amazed at my foundation. It has not got one single thing wrong at all. It has taken my very good foundation and made it perfect. It's amazing. I can't recommend it enough. I'm telling you guys, it takes, especially since today, here at my home, it was so humid. I thought, oh man, this is going to be so bad because, you know, it is what it is. I can't stop the humidity. I can't stop the hot flashes. Trust me, I've tried. Anyways, it's amazing. I took, right before I came on, I took my sponge and it was a little shiny on my nose and I just kind of dotted it around. That's it. I didn't put anything on it. I just went like this a little bit. And that was it. That's all I've done all day. It's a little bit missing on my chin because I ate. And that's I wipe. And it's always that way. It's not the foundation or the primer's fault. This primer, I haven't had anything. You know how I always say, well, it didn't sink into lines. Well, they all sink into lines a little bit. If the lines are deep enough, especially this one, they all sink into it. And it is not in there. This stuff is so good, especially if you live, I don't know how hydrating it is though. I don't care. It's so good. I cannot recommend it enough. It is so, so, so good. It's amazing. I'm going to try it with a bunch of other different foundations now, and I will put in the comments, because this one isn't going up for like a week, so, oh no, it goes up on Monday. Never mind. So I will try it with a couple more foundations, and I will put those results, to if it was the same or better or what, in the comments section. But it's really, really good. It's great with this. This is the CATRICE $10 foundation. It is so good. So, so good. Just saying. Okay, that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave and hit that little bell that notifies you every time I upload a new video. Follow me on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching my videos. And I will see you in my next video. Mwah!